It's not one specific to one area. People from different departments could attend and will still be able to gain a lot of knowledge and further their development. So that being said, let me start the way I'll explain a few day one and day two and let Doctor explain the next slide probably. So when Venkat we started off with a nice Maitrim Bhajata, fantastic song, and the usual Sastra style, and we were all expecting, and all of us were like expecting mothers and expecting fathers, waiting to deliver, a good baby. So we were all busy walking up and down in the labor room. So all of us weren't sure how it's going to be, who are the speakers. The speakers are about who are the audience, the organizing committee and the college is like how everybody's going to gel. So the anxious moment started off right on time. That's great thing. We started off right on time, and we started off with Venkat started off with the big picture, and explained about the industry 4.0 and 5.0, which laid a nice, fantastic foundation, followed by the IoT presentation, and then a little bit of explanation of what IoT is and what we spoke about, what is artificial intelligence, what are the different types. Then we went ahead with the demo on IoT and how you could connect an IoT Arduino kit and would be able to collect sensor data. And then we moved on to understand a little bit on the artificial intelligence approaches. In the evening, coming back from lunch, we thought we'll put everybody to rapt attention. We started off with the basics of installation, starting from installation of Anaconda all the way up to Python, and we started on the basics of Python. We were very happy to note that the participants had followed the instructions as rightly put up and sent on how to install the Anaconda, and they had installed and kept it ready. That was the first signal as resource persons that we got that our participants are ready to play ball. So that made us, between myself and Dr. Venkat, we said like this is going to be, we're going to make it really good for them, because as Venkat always says, myself and Venkat, we design courses, but the way we handle the courses and the classes are different. A good resource person or a good instructor has to feel the pulse of their audience. Who are we dealing with? So we, by God's grace, we have that ability and have acquired it over experience. That one dedication to showed us this is a team of dedicated people, of professors and doctors, and we said we need to give every bit we have, whether it is mentioned there or not. There are a few things that were not mentioned. If you notice, I will mention that when I cross that was delivered, because just we saw the crowd and the way you reacted, and just that first installation alone spoke 1,000 words about the team. So then we jumped into the basics of arithmetics and IoT practical demo session with a little bit of glitch. Sorry about that. We really apologize for the small technical glitch. We will make sure that it will never happen in the subsequent seminars. And then we went about explaining the problems based on the case studies that we were expecting the students to talk about. This is what I'm talking about. You see this basic statistics. This was not a part of the actual planned seminars. Looking at the crowd, like, okay, we have people from different areas of interest. Statistics, as we said, it forms a key base for the entire machine learning and deep learning and AI. And Dr. Venkat was kind enough to jump in and drive you guys through a very detailed session on mean, median, mode, standard deviation, correlation, variance, covariance, box plot, 5-point summary. We went all the way up to giving you code on Python functions, explaining the package, statistics package, helping you do it and land up with a home assignment. Completing the first day with a grand gala show, the more responsibility shifted onto us and to the Sastra management, especially our beloved Professor Dr. Alirani Madam. So we have to keep up the pace now. We have to show that we have stuff. It's not just the first day. It's like when you start to run, you run fast in the first lane, and then it happens to people who exercise. If you think about it, when you go for a walk next time, see that you will start walking very briskly the first 10 minutes. It will start slowing down. By the time you are done, you're almost tired. So we wanted to keep up that pace. God willing, God bless, by the blessings of our teachers, especially our Alirani Madam, and our well-wishers like Dr. Sudha Madam, and all you participants, and the kind heart of my good friend Dr. Venkat, who always is positive and thinks good for others. It happened. And we continued day 2 with continued the statistical concepts with hands-on problem solving, symmetry, skewed data. You were introduced to outliers, partitioning, binning. Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, this is almost like a full-fledged data mining course. This is not, people don't just let this out, but we wanted you guys to know this. So that's where we went all ahead and went ahead full steam. And then we followed it up with the knowledge agents, and the type of agents was deftly explained by Dr. Venkat. And I followed it up with prepositional logic, predicate logic, first order logic, and then we had a lot of fun with fuzzy system practical implementation. We tried to implement the tipping system, and all of us executed the Python code. We were able to see. We had a good understanding on the temporal logic, which helps you handle agents when there is a state of change. So we did a problem solving using these elevators, and all of you worked on those problems, where we were able to also read through the graphs. And when I said EFG, you were able to give me answers. That was one of the fantastic part of this FDP, the level at which you people were interactive. It really amazed us. And I'm sure the chat alone is that came through us for this FDP 5 days is a big data ticket item. So straight away, you guys created a big data ticket item straight away. We created a big data item now. So now we also walked us through the tic-tac-toe, Waterjug, and all the first depth and all that practical hands-on, and the Python code. Doc, you were around. You want to take ahead for the day 3 and day 4, or you want me to continue?
Yeah, I'll continue. No problem.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, on the day 3, we started explaining about classification and clustering. Clustering we covered a little later on the day 4, but we started off with clustering, and you all came to know how to do the distance calculation, and how to, especially you guys were exposed with the concept of entropy and information gain. And then we build a decision tree. We induce you to a decision tree, how to classify the data using a decision tree. And also we confuse you a little bit on confusion metrics, true, positive, false positive, and things like that. So that is one of the important metrics we exposed. And then there's some, some hands-on is being given for the k-means. And then, we, due to the time, we could not cover in depth of k and n. Then Mr. Ranganath started nicely on the deep learning. He's an expert in the neural network. So he gave, basically what is perceptron. He is taken from a lower level slowly to what is neuron and what is perceptron, what is multi-layer perceptron. And he has shown some beautiful examples and shown you like how to calculate the weight and bias. And then, you also, how to find the minima and maxima, right? And you learned about the gradient descent algorithm and epoch and iteration. And one great thing of that day was executing the back propagation, and you have done a lot of hands-on. You have been done your neural network coding, right? And the other day 4, like mostly on the text mining and NLP. And so you've been exposed on, of course, one thing I forgot, LSTM on the recurrent neural network. So you've been, exposed with the LSTM, and then text mining. We spend a lot of time, Ranga spent a lot of energy and time on that. And you all did the product review, you did your hands-on and code. I saw it was overwhelmed, and that's why Alirani ma'am called me and Venkat there, really participating very nicely. So it was on the day 4, and then using and also finally we ended with the sentiment analysis and things like that. Ranga, next one. So they both days were very good, and especially 4 days. So today we just in the morning we talked about basics of cloud and what are the characteristics of cloud and service model and the deployment model. And then Mr. Vijay Bharat came in, and then he helped explain you real demo on how the cloud has been configured and used. And then you had a little recap on Ranganath talked about reinforcement learning. And in the afternoon, we started talking about the trends. Madam always says, Venkat, we need to talk about the researcher also. So we gave topics on, what are the research trends and top industry trends, right? So that we have given. And also explain about what is big data. At least when you go out of this FDP, you will tell what is big data, what is AI, what is machine learning, and Hadoop cluster and MongoDB, right? So due to the time, I could not show so much of demo, but definitely I will send one document through Sudha ma'am. Will send it to all the participants. If you just follow that, you'll be able to work with the MongoDB, right? So these are all what we have covered. Next is Ranga. So these are all something you can learn further, right? We will be teaching this either through Sastra or through some other forum. If we look at it on the statistics part, you have a lot of things in the statistics, right? Starting from visualization, exploratory analytics, and then ANOVA, chi-square test, PCA, and then how to use. Not only that, we like how we have done this workshop. The same way, we will let you work with MATLAB. We will let you work with Veka. That's a data mining tool. NS3, NS2 simulator, R, Python, and some Java-based simulator. And we will also help you with the Tableau. So basically, if you get this 5 days of 5 days only meant for statistics, only related to statistics, advanced level statistics with these tools. Then regression. People who are working on a research, they want to do some prediction, and the regression itself has so many different types of regression, like as I said, logistic regression, negative binomial distributions. There are so many regression, predictive analytics can be taught. And on the advanced ML concept, CNN, RNN, whatever algorithms we need to cover extra, and LSTM, OpenCV, using OpenCV. And then there's a Spark ML. So we'll be teaching you how to use machine learning in the cloud environment. Then we only exposed a couple of hours on big data and Hadoop. The Hadoop itself, in the practice session, we will let you set up Hadoop cluster. Everybody will be setting up a VM. We will let you create a virtual machine. So everyone will create a 4-node cluster, and they will be able to upload the data into a cluster, things like that. And one thing, like some of you have shown interest on the security. So Ranga is a cyber physical system, expert, and Vijay Bharat, and we have few other good resources. So we will teach you on how to deal with the network security, cyber security, and then different encryption, decryption algorithm. Not only that, we end with a tool and how to do ethical hacking. Because if hackers are coming in, how we can prevent, right? So that is ethical hacking and tool for security. And I think I almost done, Ranga, that I wanted to end with the story, then we'll go with the review. Or after review, we'll go with the story. I'm okay either way. Should we go with the story and then review about based on the participants? This is the wonderful story. Ranga, you can stop sharing. And by the time you can download it. And this is our contact information. And you can approach through Sudha ma'am. And you can send the email to Sudha ma'am. In case if there is Sastra University related program, you will approach through Alirani ma'am, Sudha ma'am. So in case if you think that you need some guidance, you need some support from myself or Ranga, you can always approach us. We always love people. We always love to help. We have a gratitude for the people. So that's basically the story I'm going to tell, and why we have been successful. We see a lot of things. Thanks first of all. Myself and Ranga loved this crowd, and this is a pretty mature crowd. And also, like say, like say it is like me, I'm speaking, Ranga, we are speaking, right? But if we are not seeing any responses, you guys appreciate, you guys good hosts, you guys convey the sincere participation with the answers, which is the plus. Because of that, we got energy. You are telling where is the energy? The energy you are giving to us, right? So Ranga, you stop sharing. I will show the story, and then we'll get into the.
Okay, done.
Yeah. Okay. This is the story of gratitude. Okay. Are you seeing my screen? Sudha, ma'am?
Loading. Yeah, loading, done.
Okay, Venkat, before you go into the story, Dr. Parthiban of Calcutta University has asked whether if they invite you as a resource person, you will be going there.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So he was Dr. Parthiban, sir. He is not a full-time faculty in any of the university. He is mostly concentrating on his consultation and industrial work only. But he is acting as the adjunct professor for Velamal Engineering College, Chennai, and also BITS Pilani. And he is having a part-time teaching faculty as adjunct professor only. Now he is concentrating mostly on an industry project. But as Venkat told, he has promised now that if you invite him, he may be coming to your institution. And
pleasure.
Yes, both Ranga and Venkat will be willing to coming to them. You can have a community. You have their mail address and phone number. You can contact them straight and have a one-to-one communication.
Oh, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, let me quickly tell the story. And see, long ago, I heard a story about a bird who lived in the desert, very sick, no feathers, nothing to eat and drink, no shelter to live, and kept on cursing his life day and night. There was a bird which was complaining about, we all always complain about the life. Oh my God, my life is like this, somebody is good and things like that. By these days, we have told like almost like 10 stories and positive point. He should be started living, not complaining, right? One day an angel was crossing from the desert. Bird stopped the angel and inquired, where are you going? Angel replied, I am going to meet God. So bird asked angel, please ask God when my suffering will come to an end. Always we say, oh my God, why are you only testing me? Why me? Right? We never get satisfied. We always say something, like say if I have a bike, if you don't get happy with your bike, you will see somebody else in your next neighbor have a car, then oh my God, that person is having a car. Instead of celebrating your bike, you'll start, thinking about that car. So you will lose all your happiness, right? Angel said, please ask God when my suffering will come to an end. Angel said, sure. Then I will, convey and goodbye to the bird. Angel reached God's place and shared the message to God, right? The God, says like, how that pathetic, the condition of bird is inquired, and when the suffering of the bird will go into end. God replied, for the next 7 lifetimes, the bird has to suffer like this. We say, here 7 janmas or something, right? So the bird has to suffer like this. No happiness till then. The angel said, when bird will hear this, the bird will get disheartened. Could you suggest any solution for this? Then the God replied, tell him to recite this mantra. Thank you, God, for everything. Here, God can be anything. Okay. If you believe truly in God, you can believe in God. If you believe in yourself, you can thank yourself. If you believe in your father, mother, your guru, you can, thank, right? So, Aham Brahmasmi, you just, a lot of things. I don't want to get into, the religious or those subjects, but this is a message. Thank you, God, for everything. Angel met the bird again and delivered the message to God to the bird. right? So this is a message. Thank you, God, for everything. After 7 days, not 7 Janmas, after 7 days, the angel was passing by again from the same path and saw that bird was so happy. Feathers grew up on his body. A small plant grew up in the desert area. A small pond of water was also there. The bird was singing nice song and dancing cheerfully. The angel was astonished how it happened. God told for 7 lifetimes there is no happiness for the birds, but bird life, how it happened in next, in the 7 days. With this question in mind, he went to visit God. The angel asked his query, and then God replied, yes, it was true that there was no happiness for the bird for 7 lifetimes. But because the bird was reciting the mantra, thank you, God, for everything. Here, God can be anything. See, we are having the nice breathing now. You should thank the nature. You should thank the air. Did we ever thank the rain? Did we get, when we get the water, enough water, did we thank the natural resources? Did you thank your teachers? Do you thank the people? Do you thank your wife? Do you thank your husband? Do you thank your kids for making you happy? So thanking, and that is the big thing, right? So thank you, God, for everything in every situation, right? When bird fell down on the hot sand, it said, thank you, God, for everything. When it could not fly, it says, thank you, God, for everything. So whatever the situation may be, the bird kept on repeating, thank you, whether it is good or bad or whatever. And therefore, the 7 lifetimes of karma got dissolved in 7 days. When I heard this story, it landed me in a different energy zone. I felt a tremendous shift in my way of feeling, thinking, accepting, and viewing life. I adopted this mantra in my life. Whatever the situation I faced, and started reciting this mantra, thank you, God, for everything. Even if you see the A.R. Rahman, right? Ella pugalam iraivanukke, inshallah, whatever. He just said the word. In Tamil, he says that word, right? He never ever have that, ego that he did everything. It's all, thank God. It's all God's gift. It helped me to shift my view from what I did not have to what I have in my life. Celebrate your life. You have, you are living, you are surviving, you have 2 hands, 2 legs, and face, everything, right? Look at it. I will tell another story. I don't want to get there. That's, there are so many things like between US and Vietnam War, there was one person came and then analyzed the situation, he committed the suicide. Whereas another person came and then looked at all these problems of Vietnam. He started, being a person, consulting person, and he changed the world, the entire world. He became a great psychologist, right? So it is how you view the world. For instance, if my head is used to pain, I thank God rest of my body is completely fine. See, head is only paining. Thank God my hand and leg and hip is not paining. Okay, only instead of, oh yo, my head is paining. Instead of just looking at that particular problem, you celebrate what you have. Mike, I'm glad I'm walking, I'm breathing, I'm eating, no problem. Only head is paining, no problem. Thank God, right? God, rest of my body is completely fine and healthy. I used to feel headache does not used to bother me anymore. The same manner I started using this mantra in my relationship with finance, with the love, social life, business, friends, colleagues, mates, and everything with which I can relate, right? So this is basically, they bring the happiness to you. Don't look at the happiness only if something happened to you. If somebody smiles, you also feel blessed. Like we are all blessed, right? So we should be grateful to God. Grateful, have the gratitude, right? Purpose of sharing this message is to make us power of the gratitude. It can reshape our life. A simple word, a simple thought, which teaches us to be grateful for everything that we have in our life. Has the power to dissolve the karmic baggage which we are carrying from so many lifetimes. Let us recite this mantra, right? Be grateful. Change in your attitude, right? Be grateful to either Gurujis or teachers or your friends, wife, husband, God, right? Be grateful. So that is the gratitude. I wanted you to have it in your life, right? So we are basically the energy just came from you all. You all probably, Aham Brahmasmi. It's all, we are all God's children. And definitely, right? So treat everybody equally and love everybody, respect everybody, get the smile on everybody. Myself and Ranga got all this energy because of you guys, and our Professor Ali Rani ma'am and Sudha ma'am, all people have given the energy to us. We have basically taken all your energy, right? Even see, after 7 o'clock, if we see, maybe I may be down. The moment I see students, I see the atmosphere. I told Ali Rani ma'am yesterday, ma'am, somehow God comes into my mind, gives me some inputs, right? So that exactly I told night almost when I was sleeping, what is story I can tell for these participants. I was talking to my wife. She was just searching and then found this gratitude thing, right? Its participants also have a wonderful energy. So with that, Ranga, I think I'm done. You can share one of you already downloaded all the assignments?
Yes.
Excellent. Who wants to go first?
I think you should do that. Krishnakant, you said first, right?
Krishnakant, ready? I think you can start presenting. I'll stop presenting, Ranga. You can present. You already downloaded, right?
Yeah, I said download.
Krishnakant, you can unmute while Ranga is loading the presentation. You can just say a few words about what did you learn.
Also, if you want people to give their feedbacks, maybe we can spend 5-10 minutes on feedbacks first, Doctor.
Yeah. Okay.
Anybody wants to unmute themselves and give a feedback? I think we can do that for about 10. Okay, well, madam irukangala, Alirani madam irukangala.
Yeah, I'm there. Actually, many have given good feedback in the chat box. I would like to request, actually, I wanted to come when the strength is full, but somehow I was engaged with something else because our first year classes are going to be started with some other administration work. So I request participant can give the oral feedback here. At the same time, I also request that people have given some special mention about the uniqueness of this particular FDP, and in the FDP feedback format, which is going to be shown to you by AICTE, you will be posting your feedback straight away in the AICTE Atal portal. So when you do it, and if you have any unique positiveness about this particular FDP, kindly mention it, so that I am planning to conduct either SSTP, STTP or FDP in advanced level of this. Okay, so if your feedback is there, and definitely as a coordinator, because I'm the coordinator and Sudha is the co-coordinator, since I'm involved in administration work also, I requested Sudha to be a co-coordinator, and she has done a wonderful job from the beginning, continuously monitoring the input, giving mails and updating me, everything. So I must thank Sudha for her wonderful job. And so similarly, you please give your special feedback if you have anything in the FDP AICTE site itself, so that it will be easy for us to get some more FDP on this line. Let us go deep into it. And definitely, if this is being sanctioned, we will inform you through mail, because we have your group mail. We will inform you first. So we will give first preference for you people to join the advanced one. Okay. And thank you. And I think we have to decide whether oral feedback first or Krishnakant assignment first.
I think we'll go with Krishnakant and a couple of reviews, Ranga.
Then we can go for feedback. Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, Krishnakant, your thing is on the. Can you go ahead? You can go ahead and speak.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, we can hear you. Hi.
Hello, Venkat sir, Ranga sir, and Sudha ma'am, and everybody. Thank you very much. Okay. So I will just start with this presentation. Okay. So what I have done is, this is just something that I got an idea. I don't know how practical that is, but I just wanted to try this. So basically, what this project is that understanding the sentiment of newspaper articles that are published today, and also trying to identify if there is any variation in the sentiments of the newspaper articles that are published in various cities. Okay. So what I have done is, I have taken newspaper clippings of a particular newspaper called Deccan Chronicle. It is published in different locations, especially in South India. So I've taken newspaper clippings for 2 cities. One is Hyderabad and one is Chennai. Okay. And that is, I mean, just today's newspaper clippings. What I try to do is I try to scan those newspaper clippings using OCR, and then convert them into text. Okay, and after that, try to do a sentiment analysis on the text that is retrieved from these newspaper articles. And from there, we can find out like what is the overall sentiment of the news that is published today in both the cities, and also if there is any variation in the sentiment. Okay. The data source and all, I've explained it over there. So I have used the packages zip file to unzip the files, Python image library for reading the images, Tesseract for optical character recognition. PyTesseract is a wrapper for Python, and NLTK, which we discussed yesterday. I have taken most of the code from what Dr. Venkat and Ranganath sir have sent, and Matplotlib to plot the graphs. Sir, can you please scroll to the next little bit down here?
Wow, you're coding also.
Yeah, he's done coding. You should see the word cloud that he has created. Look at that.
Excellent.
He has studied the text and converted to OCR. Look at that. All that. And he has done a sentiment analysis on that. And he has given a word frequency Matplotlib saying which word is used. Look at this. He's got a Hyderabad word cloud. Go ahead, explain, Krishnakant.
Okay.
Fantastic job.
Thank you, sir. So I have so I have taken the data from 2 cities. So I have created a list. The list will have 2 elements. If there are more cities, more locations, then it will automatically append to the list. So right now I've done the 2 cities, but we can add more cities as well. Okay. So this sentiment analysis, it will show first thing is that the word cloud, total word cloud of Hyderabad, and then below that is the positive words word cloud from the news articles, and then below that is the negative word cloud. And same thing I have done for Chennai as well. Okay, general word cloud, and then positive word cloud and negative word cloud. And after that, I have tried to calculate the sentiment of each city. So what I've done is I've subtracted the positive minus negative, and then divided by the sum of both of them, so that I can normalize them, because I think Chennai has more articles than Hyderabad.
Oh, cool. Excellent.
So Chennai has got more negative articles.
Yeah, so that's why I tried to normalize, because I think number of articles are also more, total articles are also more in Chennai.
Okay.
Yeah, number is more, 235, and then, yeah, true. That's how you have normalization, yeah.
And then after normalization, this is the final graph. It shows that Chennai has slightly more negative articles today, but this isn't just today, and this is also just basic sentiment analysis. I have not used any machine learning actually in this, but maybe if it's an advanced level, maybe the values might be different, and maybe if we check tomorrow, the values might change.
Yeah.
So this is basic something that I've tried.
Super.
Excellent. Very, very good job. I think the way you started is very nice. See, always we say be the first. I think in that case, you really did a very good job. Thank you, Krishnakanta. One input I can tell you from your work, you could do what? Basically looked at the data and terms, and then try to build, you can further do a classification of those words. Like say, the words and sentiments, and then the result. Okay. If this type of, you can do, there are 2 ways you can do. One is you can do a correlation. Okay. You can use some covariance. Suppose if negative words are increasing, does it affect the people's life, or how is it, are there negative clouds more negative? Actually, when you look at the newspaper, you see all this nonsense. Does it affect your mindset and affect the life of the people? Correct. So you can do one thing is take all those words, and then find the improvements of the life. Is it improved, or is it media words are impacting people like day-to-day life? Like that, you can find the classification. Like in a decision tree or in a normalization, you can map the words to numbers. Suppose I'm reading the newspaper about a terrorist attack, right? And my mind is changing. You would interview people, get the data, 0 or 1, like that. Okay. So then you can do your decision, classify, or do some clustering, or you can
ensemble. You should start. What he's saying is you should start using ensemble techniques. You have to start putting more than one machine learning technique into your model and start making it a better model. There's a good start. You can actually start building on this.
Thank you very much, sir. I will definitely try to do that. I'm still learning, so hopefully I will do that.
Sure, problem. You can send a mail in case if you have some doubts or questions. You can send a mail to Ranga and myself. We will be happy to help you. You just take the notes how you can classify or cluster these words further. Now you got the cloud, you got some sentiment analysis, but how this sentiment analysis, finally what research will do, what we look for, what is the value for the people, what you can do with this research, how you can improve the people life. That means you can give a report stating that the newspaper, hey, Deccan Chronicle, reduce these negative words because of these negative words and paper in the newspaper, which is kind of reducing the mindset of the people. So we need to increase more positive words that day-to-day life of our people will improve. Something like that. You can give a nice article. I will support you. Ranga will support you. We can go and then write that letters to Deccan Chronicle also. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All the best. God bless.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Who wants to go next? Who's available? Who wants to go next? Any takers? Do you have anybody responding?
Who and all there, Ranga? Do you download and know?
Jay Pandian is yeah. See, you can see it here. K.
Yeah.
Rajesh, Perumal Pichandi, P. Venkateshwari, C. Ranjit Kumar, Dr. Yogeshwari.
Let's
Dr.
go
Palani.
with Yogeshwari. Ma'am,
Dr.
you are.
Yogeshwari, ma'am, are you there?
Oh, that is Yoga Indra. Wow, Yoga Indra. Oh my God. You are the yoga, Dr. Yogeshwari. Okay, you go ahead. You're ready.
Okay, ready. Madam is ready. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm ready, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sirs.
Good evening, madam. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, I want to thank you both for this great knowledge transfer, sir. And one more important thing I want to just inform is I'm a communication person and I'm from RF background, but still I could grasp all the concepts and I could even if somebody asked me the concepts to explain, I could explain right now. It's possible only because of both of you, sir. I'm very thankful for this, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Sir, and one more thing is I just got some errors, but can I explain because I don't want to waste the time of others.
Just
fine.
Tell us what is your domain, what are you
Fine, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, shall I start, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Actually, the domain I have chosen is a space domain, and the problem statement is just classification
Your voice is breaking, madam.
of galaxies. Okay, and here, sir, can you proceed to the next slide, sir? Is it clear now, sir? Is it clear now?
Yogeshwari madam, உங்க voice break ஆகுது. Better you hold your headset near your mic.
Yes, ma'am. I'm holding, ma'am. Now is it clear, ma'am?
Now it's okay. Okay, fine. Do.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now the domain I have chosen is space domain, and the problem statement is classification of galaxies. Sir, can you proceed to the next slide, sir?
Yes, madam. Done. You're able
And
to see it, right?
Here, the main objective is to, sir.
உங்களோட இதுல சிக்னல் சரியில்லைன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். உங்களுக்கு இது ஃபோன் சிக்னல். உங்க வாய்ஸ் விட்டு விட்டு வருது.
அப்படிங்களா சார்? நான் லேப்டாப்ல இருந்தா சார் பேசுறேன், மொபைல் இல்ல.
இப்ப
I
நல்லா
don't know
இருக்கு.
why this.
Now it's good. Now it's
இப்ப
good.
கேக்குதுங்களா?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yes sir, fine sir. Yeah. So the main objective of this problem statement is to classify the galaxies based upon their shapes. So the classes are, the classes will be elliptic shape, spiral shape, and it might be irregular shape. So these are the classes. Sir, next slide, sir. So, and I have taken the sample data from the given websites. One is the Hubble site, the other one is the Kaggle.com. From these websites, I have taken some sample data to proceed further. Sir, next, sir. Right. Okay, sir. So actually in the given assignment, the problem can be proceeded either using AI, ML, or DL. But using the given problem statement was to classify the galaxies based upon the shapes using the given images. So generally, to process with image in deep neural, in deep learning, convolutional neural networks are better. So I have taken that method to proceed, and it is also proven that.
Madam,
Yes.
sorry for the interruption. That itself
Yes,
your
sir.
best step. That means you understood the topic correctly. That means
Yes, sir.
use for what? Because I am looking at the problem also. Parallelly,
Yes, sir.
whatever problem we have shared, I think you selected correctly. That's a wonderful job.
Thank you, sir. It's because of you both, sir.
Thanks, ma. Very good. You're able to connect that CNN is for image and video. That's great. That was one on.
Yes, sir.
Was on one slide. You picked that up. Super.
Please go ahead, ma'am.
Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. The statistics is given in the slide. And sir, please proceed to the next slide, sir. And this is the methodology. The first step is to collect all the photographs of the galaxies from the data set, and then to classify the photos based upon three major classes. Classes in the sense the shape, it can be spherical, elliptical, or spiral shape. And for training the data, they should be placed in 3 different folders. And once the training is done, they can be used to test the various images, so that testing can be done. This is the methodology. Sir, next slide, sir. And this picture just explains about the convolutional neural network. So say for example, the image of a galaxy is having a size of 255 pixels cross 255 pixels. We need 255 cross 255 neurons. That is somewhat, that will make your system a complex system. So our core idea is to just reduce the order of the neurons. So that will be done here using convolutional neural networks. So firstly, we'll be doing 2 steps. The first step is we'll be taking kernels of some reduced order, thereby we'll be masking and reducing the size of the image. And once this step is done, we will also be doing pooling. Pooling in the sense it is filtering. So we'll be doing these 2 steps consecutively, so that the order of the image is reduced and layers get increased. So if you look at the pictures, as the picture proceeds, you can see that the order of the the order in the sense the X cross Y, that order has been reduced and the layers has been increased. So this is the basic theme behind the convolutional neural networks. And at the last, we will be placing on fully connected networks to classify the galaxy to either as elliptical, spiral, or irregular. So this is the core theme. Sir, next slide, sir.
Why are we using softmax, madam? Why didn't you use ReLU or
Sir, Sir, ReLU it converges fast, sir. That we'll be placing in between, sir, in between two convolution layers. But softmax is, see, if say for example, generally the probability lies between 0 to 1, sir. If for any some class 0.9 is the probability, that class we can prefer, sir.
The answer
Depending
to
upon
the answer to that question, madam, doctor, is softmax
Yes,
is
sir.
used for multi-class problem. You are actually
Yes, sir.
doing
Yes,
a
sir.
multi-classification.
Yeah,
ReLU
yes,
or
sir.
CANH cannot give you a multi-classification.
Yes, yes,
It will
yes.
give you a value between
Yes.
0 to 1 or 0 to
Yes, sir.
infinity. It can just give
Yes,
you
sir.
one
Yes, sir.
number. So now we want
Yes,
to find
sir.
whether it's elliptical, spiral, or irregular. So it says
Multi-class
elliptical is
problem.
0.95. So softmax
Yes,
gives
yes.
you a probability. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir.
No problem.
Okay, and to do this, I have taken a few of the packages. They are Keras, TensorFlow, and sequential, because this is a kind of convolutional network, right? So you need a sequential thing, and then some mandatory packages like dense, dropout, flatten, and then convolution 2D and max pulling 2D and activation function are needed. And H5PY
Wow.
is
Actually, one thing
sir?
I wanted to highlight here, we did not expose all these packages. How did you get it?
Sir?
How did you get all these packages?
Sir, through that Google Colab, sir.
Excellent. Wonderful. Good job.
Yes, yes, sir. And this package H5PY is used because here there will be numerous mathematical calculations. This package will support that calculation. So that is being used here. And this timeit is used to just estimate the time taken for each epoch. So for that, that
Epoch.
package has
It's called as
been
epoch. Epoch. It's called an
epoch.
epoch.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Epoch. Yeah. And then for activation function, we have taken that leaky ReLU and all.
Leaky ReLU.
Okay, sir.
It's called leaky ReLU.
Leaky ReLU. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes,
in,
sir.
in this industry, how you say certain things, gives the interviewer or the person you're speaking to a lot of confidence.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
make sure that you listen to the video again whenever you find time, and
Sure,
pick
sir,
up
sure, sir.
those buzzwords,
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
because you
Yes,
have
sir.
a lot of potential.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, yes, sir. And then this slide just explains how we can train and test the model and what are the software and hardware requirement we need. So I have just chosen Google Colab because it takes more number of time when we use a normal system. Yes, sir, this is the thing. Sir, shall we move to the next slide, sir? Yes, sir. So this slide, as explained before, brings out the
Same thing.
required
It's the same,
packages. Yes, sir.
So you're
And then
adding-
coming to this, firstly, it is assigned that number of classes is equal to 3 because we were having 3 shapes. So number of classes is equal to 3. And this is whatever the image we are just reading, right?
So one small input to you, doctor, here. If somebody asks you what is your project is about, you can just tell them it's a 3-class problem. Okay.
256, 256.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. 3-class problem. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. 3-class problem. And this 256 cross 256 implies that the pixel value of the image is 256 cross 256, and 3 signifies that it's a 3-class problem. And see now, and then below all the lines indicate, nothing but we'll be doing convolution, ReLU for 4 times, and then
Just one
we'll be doing.
small correction. The
Yes,
3
sir, yes,
is
sir.
the channels. It's talking about the RGB channels. The 3 in the input shape
Yes.
is saying it's a 256
yes,
by
sir.
256 pixel picture
Yes, 3.
with RGB channel. If you say 1, it means it's a black and white picture.
Either white or black. Yes, sir. 2 means white or black,
No,
like that.
yeah, 1. 1
1.
means it's black.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And then, yes, sir. And below that, or the next
You can see
few
that
lines.
you're adding all the layers and you're giving a model summary. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the output you got.
So this is the output I have got, sir. So if you look at the output, you can see that the orders has been reduced. The orders has been reduced, and if you look at the bottom, that is that dense of 32. Dense of 32. Over there, we will be introducing the fully connected neural network, which is we'll be introducing the fully connected neural network, and thereby we'll be finding the class. Sir, up to this I have got the output, sir.
Okay, madam.
But here, sir, I don't know how to import the image from my system, sir. That's the error.
See,
Beyond this,
first thing, what you have to do
Yes.
is, first
Yes,
you have
sir.
to train the images.
yes, sir. I
First,
think these
training has to happen.
Yes,
Don't worry,
sir.
we can help you figure this out. So you are
Yes, sir.
training here. You're training here, right?
Yes, sir.
This is your training, and once you train it,
Yes, sir.
and then what you can do is you'll just see the way. What we have taught you so far is to train the images and check for accuracy. You'll just
Yes,
give,
sir. Yes, sir.
just give 2 more images from the internet or from your system, and it will
Yes,
look
sir.
and it will predict, and you will check how was the prediction, how was the error,
Yes, sir.
and then you
Yes,
will
sir,
take a
yes.
look at the accuracy.
Yeah.
Wherever you're
Yes.
getting the error, you can just send it. We will help you.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Madam, what you can do is there are some,
Yes, sir.
if you go to open source GitHub, they have done
Yes.
profiling for the images, like say using GIMP, GIMP. They use that
Okay, sir.
with the profiling. So how
Okay,
you
sir.
can export the image into the Python, how you can
Okay, sir.
RGB profiling, their
Yes,
embedded,
sir.
you can see. So just go to Google and look
Yes,
at
sir.
GitHub. That is the open source version control system.
Exactly.
There are some
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
that may help you to look at the images.
And
Sure, sir.
one other secret to all the participants, whatever error you get,
Yes.
whatever problems you get,
Yes, sir.
I request you to do your research first, because that is the best way you can learn. You come to
Yes,
me,
sir,
I'll
definitely, sir.
point
Yes.
out, I can point out the error and fix it right now, but you will
Okay,
forget
sir.
it. But if you break your head,
Yes, sir.
figure out
Yes,
the
sir.
solution, that will stick you for
Definitely,
the rest
sir.
of your life. That's how I learned.
Yes,
I never
sir.
went back
Yes,
to
sir.
my mentor with a problem.
Yes, sir.
I'll only go back to him with the answers. He used to always ask me,
Yes, sir.
why you never asked me, came to me that this didn't work. I said, no, you taught me. I have to figure it out and I want to come back. So you try. If
Yes.
it doesn't work, definitely come back. We'll guide you.
Definitely, I'll try and mail you back,
Yes.
sir. Definitely, I'll try,
See,
sir.
the
Yes,
one
sir.
good thing about this is, since it's open
Yes, sir.
source, like Venkat said, there's tons of
Yes, sir.
information available. Tons of information available, how to fix a specific
Yes, sir.
problem. There is something called a Stack Overflow. You go to Stack Overflow, you will find answers
Okay,
to
sir.
all the errors you have for
Okay, sir.
Python
Okay,
and
sir.
machine learning. If something is stuck in
Yes, sir.
Python, you just go to Stack
Yes, sir.
Overflow. There will be some 100 people who would have answered. This is because it's
Yes, sir.
it's an open source. Also remember that
Yes,
something
sir.
might be working fine. When you upgrade your package, it might stop working because it's open source,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Somebody might have introduced a bug in there. So these
Yes,
are all the
sir,
things
yes.
that you should expect. Okay. Thank you. Overall,
Okay, sir.
great job. Thank you. Overall, great.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the opportunity, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Yoga ma'am. And
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I pasted 2 links for you in the chat.
Yes, sir. I have. Yes, sir. I have noted, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
GitHub, there is a code available, and you can also use that. They provide you some pre-processing tool for the image. So maybe you
Sure,
can
sir.
will probably help you further. Okay, God bless you. All
Sure,
the
sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
for one more, and then we will stop.
Yeah.
One more last participant. I would like to show an assignment. Quick.
Vikas Dubey, is he there?
Who is ready next? Quick. Opportunity doesn't stay longer.
Sheetal, Manoj Kumar Dikshit.
I see that they are there.
It's okay. A lot of them have just taken the.
Vikas has already submitted, right?
Yeah, Vikas, Professor Vikas is there. Because Vikas has done something different.
No code, no problem. Let's hear from Vikas. Vikas, are you there?
He has given just the approach. Yeah. Fine. I think we can
Stop.
let the floor open for comments. If anybody wants to present, let's
Yeah.
not force. Let's not force anybody. If anybody is open
Yeah,
for any
exactly.
comments, if not, otherwise, I think we can hand over the session to Madam.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much for all the efforts. Yes, Madam. Sridevi, Madam, solunga. நீங்க
Sir,
பண்ணலாம்.
actually, what we have done, what I have done, it is so we have just took some problem statement. It has been sent by Sudha Madam, sir.
Madam,
So
very
from
clear.
that we have chosen one topic and we went for research because we were new to this concept, and so based on this 5 days learning, so we just search for all those things and that it has been made as PPTs. But seeing
No
the
problem.
first PPT,
Not a problem. Not a problem. Not a problem. See, very good, Madam. It's a start. You have to start somewhere, right? All of us
that is what
started
we have just gone through the Google search and we have just done with that. The coding model is not done by us.
No
Something
problem.
I got from net.
That's okay. See, at least now you know where to go, which Google you need to go to get the code. At least you know that now.
Yes.
That is the positive part of it. And slowly use the opportunity and start building on it. So keep revising the portions and keep reading about all this. So when we come with the advanced session, you will get the best out of it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Not a problem. Not a problem.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Anybody wants to share their thoughts vocally about the feedback, can do it. The floor is open.
Feedback again, sir, from my end.
Yes, madam.
Actually, why I just registered for this FDP. It is by compulsion because in college they said at least one FDP we supposed to do. Okay.
You're from which? Can you introduce yourself, madam? You're from which college?
I am Dr. V. Sridevi from JPR Engineering College, Chennai, sir.
Okay, madam. Engur.
First thing it is, so we need to get one certificate under the heading of Atal FDP. Okay, that is the first thing in our mind. And the day one started like we forget about that all those AI, the machine learning and DL, sir. So the way it started with your thought is your karma, and the way Ranga sir started with know your strength. Okay, these are the first positive vibes we had with us. Okay, so every day, why we were logging on time because we doesn't want to skip that story, which is taking us to a new moral kind of thing. Okay, so that is the first impression. Always the first impression starts from there. So slowly we have learned so many words, so many new words, because so many we were thinking it is computer words, but now I am basically electrical. So we certain words we know, but certain words we were thinking it is computer related. Okay, now I could take up all those words. If anybody, so I am at a level that so if somebody speaks about these words, means definitely I'll be relating. Okay, this and all is coming under this category. Okay, and the coding also slowly we are just doing, sir. So all these things happens because of Venkat sir and Ranga sir. Thank you so much, and let me extend my thanks to Dr. Ali Rani ma'am, Dr. Sudha ma'am for organizing such a nice FDP and also having such nice resource persons in this FDP. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your wonderful feedback, madam. Appreciate it. God bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anybody?
Sir,
Or did I-
good evening, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes, doctor. Yes, Dr. Hetal.
Yes, sir, am I audible? This is Dr. Hetal Thakur here,
Yes, ma'am.
Associate Professor at Atma University, Rajkot, Gujarat. So I
Yes,
would like
madam.
to say,
Please
yes,
go
this
ahead.
FDP was very unique in a way, where not only knowledge sharing was there, but practical hands-on sessions, real-life examples, case studies, interaction of resource persons with participants, assignments to do, quizzes, all this has made the platform very lively. And I've enjoyed all these learning, all these days very much. I'm very much thankful to the eminent resource persons, Dr. Venkat sir and Rangnath sir, as well as the organizing team at Shastra University, Dr. Ali Rani madam and Dr. Sudha madam, for sharing the recorded session, video sessions, and the notes for everyday usage also. So thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. I appreciate your feedback. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, ma'am. God bless.
Anirudh, any Anirudh name? You have any thoughts about the FDP? I think he's a research scholar from IIM. How did you feel? How would you rate the FDP? Ankur Rai, Aruna Kokula, Deepika Dara, Dr. Durga Karthik.
Sir, can I speak a
Yes,
few words?
madam. Yes, madam. Who is this?
Sir, this is Dr.
Ankur, sir.
Rajesh.
Okay.
I think. Okay, sir. Let him or otherwise.
Okay.
Go ahead,
Okay.
Rajeshwari, madam. Go ahead, Rajeshwari, madam.
Good evening, sir. This is Rajesh, Dr. Rajeshwari from VIT, Chennai. And so I was really impressed with this workshop because of Venkat sir and Ranga sir and Sudha ma'am. Because I have attended, because I am from computer science background only, I have attended so many workshops in machine learning, AI and deep learning, but you made us to work with this every day by giving the assignments, quizzes, and sharing the materials and everything. And I got a great experience with this workshop, sir. And thank you once again, special thanks to Sudha ma'am. Whenever we are sending any queries to her through a mail, within a 5 to 10 minutes, she will reply immediately, maximum 15 minutes. So I'm really thankful for attending this workshop. I'm really happy about it. I really thanks to all of the people, those who organized. It went very, very well. I was really I not even missed any single session, single minute. Till its closing, I am there in that workshop. And thanks a lot for everybody, sir. Thanks. It's a great job.
Thank you.
Thank you for your kind words, madam. Thank you. Appreciate it. Ankur Rai Saab, go ahead.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. Sir, one thing I would like to ask, if I would like to organize such workshops at my institute, will you both join our workshop?
We will be more than happy to conduct FDPs for you. Definitely, Ankur. By all means.
So,
Sure.
first time I have attended so many FDP, but in this FDP, I found that you guys are teaching us you want to let everything understand everything. You don't want to go only. You want to let us understand that how this is happening, what are the basic concepts. Whatever I have seen, whatever I have studied, and the lectures, the recorded lectures I've also gone through. So it is fabulous, sir. Fabulous, wonderful, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. You can contact us. We'll be more than happy to host a
Sir,
FDP.
sir, how would I contact, sir?
I will just send you the, I'll again show you the number. I'll share the number with you on the screen.
Okay.
You just stay on and you can take it down. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sorry for the interruption. Before I give the vote of thanks, you can share your contact details to the.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. I'll do that right now. Let me do this right now. So whoever wants to just make a note of it, I request them to make a note of it. Or you can anytime contact Sudha madam. Sudha madam will be able to give you the.
Ranga, you have it in that agenda.
I put it, but I think I deleted it.
No, that's
Okay.
right.
Sir, may I come in, sir?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, this is Revati, I think.
Wow, Revati.
Sir,
Hello,
don't. Sir, I am not a common sense computer science staff, sir. I don't know much more about languages, sir. I hate languages actually. But after attending this workshop, I also love to learn languages. Like even I don't know C language, sir. That is the main drawback behind me. We will actually travel within a limited spectrum only because we are all ECE professor. We are having a limited spectrum only. Within that, we will transmit and receive. So we know our wireless limit. Beyond that, you all posted us in cloud, sir. So we need some time to pick up all those things, sir. So definitely we will learn all those things and we will complete those program and all, sir.
Excellent. You also been very cooperative. Want to talk about Revati from the day 1 to day 5. You are our stress buster. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Just to put some comments and immediately we give your response. At least you've been trying. See, life is not achieving success.
Okay. That's why one day I said building strong basement weak, like that also I said, sir. In my area, I know somewhat a little bit, sir, but when coming to the programming side, I was a little lag only.
No problem. What you need to do is play the video. Play the video. The code which we have already shared. Try one more time. You will get through. That's all. 2-3 times. That's all.
Okay.
See, learn from other mistakes. Learn from other success. Both.
This is the one and only workshop. I stayed 24 hours here, sir. So normally, so what we will do, frankly, we will say, sir, we will connect in the link and then we will do our normal work, sir. But this Friday, it's a beautiful memory for us, for me also, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Deepika Dara madam wanted to speak. Go ahead, madam.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, I am from West Bengal, and I first of all I want to thank you, both of you, and Sudha ma'am also. And when I put on this FDP, and I want to cancel this FDP because of for my health. I am not well right now. That's why I mailed, but it was too late to accepting that mail. So I thought, let's join that. If I can't do it, then make it, then I'll leave it. But when I join here, I see that it is very, very much interesting, and it is not burden to me. I'm very much interested to do it. So this 5 day, I'm not well, but still I am attending this FDP. I am not doing any work, but I am attending this FDP. I learned a lot from you, both of you. Thank you so much. And I want to ask you for a resource person in my college also, university also.
Yes, madam.
Is it possible?
Yes, madam. Doable. I have the for everybody. I have the contact details of Dr. Venkat and myself. I request all of you to take a screenshot or a photo so that you can contact us. We will be more than happy to conduct FDP sessions with the technology today. The part of the India doesn't matter. We can sit here and we can run it. And
okay. Thank you, sir.
Please take a Thank you very much to our Professor Alirani madam for making this happen. For connecting all of us, the credit goes to our madam and the Sudha madam.
And all these stories also motivated me. All these stories, very, very interesting stories. All these.
Pleasure.
I will tell my students also all these stories.
Please do.
Excellent. Sir, already hope you feel better.
Yeah, hope you feel better. Feel better soon. You know.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Lord Dhanvantri shower his blessings on you and get you well soon.
Thank you, God, also.
Excellent.
The last story. Thank you, God.
Yeah, sure. Good.
Thanks, madam. Have you all taken a picture of the? Can I shut it off? Can I close the screen? Can I close the screen?
Hello.
Yeah, somebody wanted to speak. Yes, go ahead.
Manjula ma'am.
Sudha ma'am, shall I ma'am?
Yes, Manjula ma'am. Yes, Manjula, you can.
Yes ma'am, thank you ma'am, thank you ma'am. Sir, really it was very nice sir, it was mind-blowing, informative. We learned a lot. Really both of you easy to approach sir. And one more thing, what Sudha ma'am said, your stories, all the stories are super, sir. Now I took an oath, sir. In our class, I like to say some story before starting my lecture.
Super.
This is very, yeah, really it is good, sir. Thanks a lot, sir, for giving such a wonderful seminar.
Not only stories, ma'am.
Not only, no. That too also super, sir. Apart from that story or concept and everything is super, the way in which you deliver, so that also pakka, sir. Ma'am, thank you, sir. Thank you, both of you, sir. Thank you, coordinators. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for management. Thank you for AICT also. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Professor Vikas Dubey, you are on. Yeah. Go ahead, Professor Vikas Dubey.
Yeah. First of all, I would like to thank you, Dr. Venkat sir, Ali Rani ma'am, and Sudha ma'am for organizing such a wonderful LPP. Actually, I'm from Mumbai, and you know that in college in Maharashtra right now the exams are going on. So in this session we are revising and attending the meeting. So some little bits I missed, not completely, some part of that, but still I try to attend sessions because the sessions were like I'm from electronics background, so I don't know much about the programming much. I know C little bit. So I joined this, and then after that, actually I like very much. I like it was like teaching. You are teacher to us. Like really, I feel like I'm a student right now. Teacher teaching to me. Really, sir, I thank you, both of you, sir, from my heart. I thank you, sir, for giving such a knowledgeable session. And so the story, sir, is very important to motivate to start to aim for a goal. So that is very important. Thank you, sir. I'll also adapt this technique for in teaching classes. So, thank you, sir.
Thank you for your kind words. God bless you, Professor.
Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to all of you. Sir, can I take 2 minutes, sir?
Yes, madam. Sure. Who is this, madam? Introduce yourself.
Valli Sri, sir. I am Valli Sri, sir.
Go ahead, madam. Go ahead.
Working as Associate Professor in Geetanjali College of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, sir. So I also attended this FDP. Why I attended this, why I registered for this session is, so everyone is using artificial intelligence in most of the areas. So I also thought I can learn some artificial intelligence and implement in my research area also. So the FDP was very informative, and it gives me it now gives me a confidence that I can implement AI in some portion of my research area. And apart from other FDPs, the unique things which I feel is, which I wanted to tell is, so the FDP is very interesting, interactive, and mostly we will attend some portion of it, and we may tend to leave after 2 days, 3 days. We may tend to 2 or 3 days we will listen, and last 2 days we will just ignore. But unlike other FDPs, this throughout the all 5 days the session was very interesting. And apart from the technical knowledge, both of you have given us a lot of moral stories which is needed for the today's world. So that was really wonderful. And I can't forget this FDP, sir. And we also received a lot of support from Sudha ma'am and Dr. Ali Rani madam also. I would like to thank for arranging this wonderful FDP session, sir. Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much for your kind words, madam. God bless.
Okay.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you all for so much word. Shall we wind up? Okay. First of all, I would like to thank Almighty actually for us, for me to connect with Venkat and Ranga through alumni meet which was conducted in Mugambige College of Engineering some time back. So there I met them and I spoke with them what are their strength and what they are doing, all those things I found out from them. So from the way we interacted, then it gave me the light in my mind that one fine day I could use him as a resource person for my students. So I called them for the workshop in our institution for our students for 3 days workshop, and they came. And the workshop session was so good that all the students, they were not ready to go home even after 7 o'clock in the evening. They were going on working. So I thought, so such a positiveness in the students. Usually students tend to move at even before the class ends. But here, they were not ready to go out. They were sitting and they were going to their room also, where they were staying. So then I felt that this is going to be a very effective session, and I was waiting for the opportunity for FTP program. Then Atal advertised that you can submit proposal. Then immediately Venkat and Ranga came into my mind. I had a discussion with them, and we have decided how to go out. And I very strictly told them that it should not be a just PPT like other workshop. It should be a hands-on training how we have given for students, and it should be in a little bit higher level because our faculty members are going to be involved, and we have to make sure that how the students were bonded with that for the 3 days workshop. Similarly, the teachers who are going to join us should be bonded with them all the 5 days, and they should take something out of it. So that's what I requested Venkat. And also in my actually from my childhood, I always think that whatever I do, I should be unique and I should excel, and it should be notable, noteworthy. So these things I have in my mind, and pick persons to for me. Such person I'll pick up and then engage, So by God's grace, God always gives me such persons to me. Likewise, Ranga and Venkat came to me in contact, and they have utilized, and they have with full energy all the 5 days. They did a wonderful job. So I must thank them. And after I would like to tell you something. After our workshop, they are not going and taking rest. They are doing consultation work for the industries even till midnight, So then they came and they were working here. So in the middle 2-3 days in the night, I spoke with them and we had interaction. And next day how it should go, so we planned. So that was wonderful. They cooperated very much. So next, I would like to thank all the participants who have come here and they staying here throughout the workshop and giving immediate answers whenever the question was posted, immediate answers. The way you interacted, it gave us a lot of energy for us that we have to do better in future. And without you, though the resource persons, Venkat and Ranga, is really good, and if your interactions and your interest is not shown up, definitely it is going to be a flop. And but the way you show your interest, the way you responded, encouraged us and Venkat and Ranga to go further and further and further, so that we want you to keep it in that particular tempo. So I thank you all for I thank you all for such a support. And so without you, this program wouldn't have been a successful one. So I thank all the participants to extend such a response to our workshop. Then finally, I would thank our Sudha, and I requested her that since I used to be engaged in administration work also in the campus, so I may not be concentrating I may not be able to concentrate fully. So I requested her to be a co-coordinator, and she accepted, and she has done a wonderful job from the day one to till, not only day one, I'm telling, from the day one of sending proposal, from that day. And she is always she discusses with me, and she executes whatever I say, and she puts her own ideas also. Ma'am, we can do this way, we can do that way. So I really thank Sudha for her overwhelming extension of her support. So thank you very much. And of course, I thank our institution members also, because when I interacted with them yesterday, I asked them whether it was useful, and they told that they learned a lot of new things. Though they are from computer science background, they told that they have learned a lot of new things. So that gave me some satisfaction that our own faculty members of our campus have learned something, so we have done something. So with this, once again, I would like to thank our God Almighty for inviting us to make this as a wonderful workshop. And as I said, when you give in AICTE web portal feedback, and if there is any column for write-up, suggestions as a write-up, you can always mention if there is any uniqueness about this workshop in a positive manner, so that when I send the other proposal in the advanced level of this, it will be helpful for us to get the fund so that we can go for additional workshop. And you have made us to set a new standard for the future workshop. So we made us, so we ourselves have to break this benchmark what I have kept here, and that should be better one the next time. So that means the quality is going to be improved. So always I concentrate on quality and whatever I do. So I give more importance for the quality of the job what I do. So I wish, I think we have justified to some extent as far as quality is concerned. So with these few words, once again, I thank you all for your great support all these 5 days and making this workshop as a grand success. Thank you all very much.
Thank you very much, madam, for the kind words. Keep blessing us. Thank you.
Definitely, and you have communicated your contact address. If anybody asks for help, kindly extend your help. You do, I know your nature, but of course, you can discuss with them, and your timings you can adjust, and always you can go ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
I wish that you get a lot of victory in future.
Thank
Sure,
you.
ma'am. I mean, it's all possible because of the Guruji's blessings, and you gave us, road, and so this all possible just because of you, and God's, And ma'am, with your permission, I think some people have been
1 minute, Ranga, 1 minute, Venkat. Sorry, I wanted to tell when maximum strength is there. Once again, I repeat here, but the strength has come down to 56. I would like to mention that Venkat has got Best Inspiring Teacher Award from the former President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And so we have got such a nice person with us. I wanted to tell this when the full strength was there. Somehow I didn't have time to do it. So no wonder that he is teaching like this, because he has received the Best Inspiring Teacher Award from the great personality, His Excellency, former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So I thank Venkat. You are so humble with even after that. So I wish that you are going to be here like this forever, and with the humbleness and the greatness. Thank you, Venkat.
I'll do, ma'am. Ma'am, with your permission, I will sing one song that is basically to teach them the...
Sir, small question, sir. Small.
Yeah.
Very small, sir. So sometimes we found that when we teach a very easy topic to students, and he does not understand, then sometimes we get irritated that why he's not understanding. It's a very small.
Yeah.
Then what should we do?
Excellent. Very good question. See, if I were you, okay, first you put yourself on that shoe, right? So why I am doing all these things nowadays? Because I don't want the same pain what I have gone, that I should not, have my students to go through. See, you find... See, there is always, when you have started asking, that itself is your first success. So first to find out, ask that student, okay, what way you like, because nowadays students likes different ways of approach, right? Your son, your daughter, or anybody, they get tired, bored, okay. See, why you are all packed for all these days? Because even sometimes one simple topic may be simple to some people, but some people are keep on asking questions, right? And you need to have a equilibrium condition. You can't teach the same way like how you're teaching dog and cat, right? Or you can train dog or cat, or you can train anything, right? So there must be some ways. You have to find the pulse of the student. What is that student, he or she is facing? what type of expectation. They might be brilliant, and they may be, your way is not. See, though, again, I will always tell, change is from you. We cannot change the world. We have to only change our spectacle, the way we look at things, how best you can do. So my suggestion, my simple solution is that find out, hey, how you understand any topic, and what is the best way you like. Suppose you are studying a new, you give him or her a topic, a simple topic. Which subject you are teaching, brother? Which subject you are teaching?
Electronics.
Electronics. Okay, for example, you are talking about half wave rectifier or full wave rectifier, or you are talking about some Hall effect, some electronic topic, right? So first ask the student, okay, did you understand anything before? What was the topic you understood? Find out. It's basically like, say, how you talk to your family, or how you talk to your friends and things like that. Just go a little closer to the kids. The kids needs that type of attention. So you just start, be friendly instead of getting irritated. I also get irritated. I also get angry. The students are always students. Even you are a student, I was a student. Students are always a student. You got to find what is that you can do. You can start thinking multiple direction. One simple thing is get his notebook. Okay, what did you note down? Okay, can you explain what did you understand? First, grasp their grasping power. What is the way, if you teach, you ask them, openly ask them, hey, I think all other students understood. Why you did not understand? What is the showstopper? What do you think I could have done? If I tell, in what way I should tell, so that you will understand. Like that, you go one step forward, that student will open up his mouth or her mouth, and that's the best way to go. And I always say that, don't worry, repeated assertion. Many times I repeat some topics, you might have noticed, right? So it is okay to repeat. I do this way. This is my style. Suppose I'm teaching some topic for my subject. Suppose I'm teaching GIS, Geographical Information System. I'm talking about one concept, right? That concept I will tell in a different ways. Okay, the same definition I will repeat in a 3 ways. Maybe one definition will reach to one people, another definition reach to other people. Some people like the formulas and graph. So try to teach in 3-4 ways. Repeat, nothing wrong. Don't think that it may be boring for some kids, but it may be good for those type of slow learners. Is that clear? Is that helpful?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am? Ranga?
Go ahead, sing.
Yes,
Yeah.
please go on.
Okay. Basically, this is a small song. I used to sing in orchestras. When I was in college, I used to sing in Trichy. I used to sing in multiple places, but I never get a chance to learn the Carnatic, the real the what do you call, like what Ranga was saying about reinforcement learning. But I used to make mistakes. When I make mistakes, means like my neurons always not trained effectively, because I didn't know the pitch. I didn't know Shruti correctly. Sometimes I go out of Shruti, I go out of pitch. So like what we talked about, unsupervised learning, supervised learning. Supervised learning is nothing but I have the lyric, cinema song. For example, one song. Sada sani anida mada pamaga. Sada sani anida mada pamaga niveda. This is the song I heard. This is the song I got the lyrics. And if you sing Roja Jane Man Tu Hi Mera Dil Tarara Tarara ra ra Ye ra 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 la 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 tarara tarara ra ra tarara ra 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 Roja Kadal Rojavi Yenge ni yenge Kanni Varigiradu Kanne. This song I learned, I know the words, But now see the difference of reinforcement learning. Now, this raga is called Vivartani. Sa re ma pa sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. See the bass. I got the bass. This is the way, because this song is only in this 7. Sa re ma pa sa, sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Now I have learned the boundaries. Any letters, any words which I am going to sing, it is going to be following exactly the pitch. Watch. Ma re ma pa pa sa ni da pa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Ma re ma pa sa ni da pa ni da pa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Pa sa re ma ga re sa sa ni da pa sa ni da da pa ma ga re sa sa. Pa sa re ma ga re sa sa ni da pa sa ni da da pa ma ga re sa sa. Ma ye, see, ma re ma, that sound. Ma ye sananam kedamaya vida மூயேடனை என்று முடிந்திடுமோ. மாவேட் சனனம் கெடமாயை விட மூயேடனை என்று முடிந்திடுமோ. கோவே பாசா பபசா கோவே குரமின் ரிமகா கொடிதோல் ரிசசா புனரும் தேவே சிவ சங்கிரம தேசிகனே. கோவே குரமின் கொடிதோள் புனரும் தேவே சிவ சங்கிரம தேசிகனே. This is reinforcement learning, because learn that words and lyrics. What is that? The boundaries of A to Z I've learned. So my mind, the neurons are all got trained. Because it's all trained, I could do well. Anytime you wake me up, my neurons are trained. It is not like how Venkat was like 3 years ago, because I got that learning, that my neural networks, the neurons got trained. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show, a demo of reinforcement learning. Thank you for your interest in listening to my voice and my songs. Thank you very much. I think I am done, madam. And Ranga, you want to share something, and then we'll close the session.
Yeah, thank you, everybody. Thank you very much, Alirani madam, Professor Alirani madam. Thank you very, very, very much, Sudha madam. Great.
Thank you, Sudha madam. Yeah.
You did fantastic job. I've never seen, a person, at that level interacting, and just you follow the instructions to the, to the dot. You don't ask questions. If I tell you 3 o'clock, even if I ask you, have you sent the mail, you will ask, if I ask you at 2:50, you will come back and ask, hey, you said 3. Fantastic. Very well done. Alirani madam is, Roma kurto chama. You be there and help. And I really thank the entire Sastra team and the wonderful professors who took part. And we somehow missed meeting you all when we came there last time. God willing, when we come back there, we would like to meet all you professors. Thank you very much, Alirani madam, for this great opportunity. Thank you, Sastra. Venkat, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you very much. Hope to see you all again, and do more FTBs. We would like to do more such knowledge transfer sessions, and both of us enjoy more than the money part.
Exactly.
We love this, and we enjoy it. So whatever you do, we request all you professors to enjoy what you do, and love your students. You might have 10 good ones, 90 bad ones, doesn't matter. Like Venkat says, you deliver the way that would suit them. Always think, how would you feel? If somebody is not good, take them aside, tell them, motivate them, tell them that you can do it. You will see results. Motivate them, and go in with a blank paper. Okay, don't think that, okay, this is an easy concept, my students should understand the concept.
Some of them, they don't want to quit, Ranga. They wanted to be there. It's what happened. Actually, this is how you should be. When you are taking, as I told you, one tip, I never take attendance in my class. Seriously, I'm not praising myself. I will tell my students, you come for listening and learning. I don't care. Even if you're tired, you sleep. I don't care. Okay. Even
Madam, we will give you 2 minutes, definitely. Madam,
சார், மாலை வணக்கம். கும்பகோணத்திலிருந்து அந்த உஷா கோவிந்தராஜன் தான் நான். அந்த குரங்கோட இதை
சொன்னீங்களா அந்த மேடம் தானே நீங்க?
கடைசியா தமிழ்ல சொல்லி நான் முடிச்சுக்கிறேன். யாரா இருந்தாலும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் புது விஷயம் லேர்ன் பண்றப்ப குழந்தைங்க தான். அதே மாதிரி தான் நாங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இந்த லேர்ன் பண்ண வந்தோம். யாரா இருந்தாலும் என்கரேஜ் பண்ணணும். ஏன்னா எவ்வளவு பெரிய டிஷ்ஷா இருந்தாலும் யாராவது அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணலாம், நம்ம பண்ணதுக்கான பலனே இருக்காது இல்லையா? நீங்க 2 பேரும் ஒரு சின்ன விஷயம் நாங்க ஏதாவது சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல அனுப்பிச்சாலும் வெங்கட் சார் எடுக்கிறப்ப ரங்கநாத் சார் வந்து அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணுவாரு, ரங்கநாத் சார் எடுக்கிறப்ப வெங்கட் சார் வந்து அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ணுவாரு. நீங்க அப்ரிஷியேட் பண்ண நாங்க இன்னும் கத்துக்கணும், இன்னும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும், இன்னும் நிறைய சொல்லி ஃபர்ஸ்டா டைப் பண்ணணும் சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல. அப்படிதான் தோணுச்சு எங்களுக்கு. That will be a good motivation for us to participate at the end of the minute to this workshop, FDP. Okay, so that so I missed 2-3 hours because I'm taking class regularly also. That I will watch the videos and I will pick up those missed hours also. So thank you for your great encouragement to us.
English சொல்றீங்களே.
பரவாயில்லைங்க சார். அத என்ன சொல்றது அப்படின்னா சில
your speech in English for other participants.
ஓகே சார். என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா நாங்க குழந்தைங்க தான், உங்ககிட்ட இருந்து நிறைய கத்துக்கிட்டோம். அதுதான் உண்மை. நீங்க எங்களை என்கரேஜ் பண்ணதுதான் நாங்க வந்து கடைசியா வந்து இவ்வளவு தூரம் லேர்ன் பண்ணதுக்கான பிக் சப்போர்ட். நல்ல ஒரு எங்களை பேக் போனா வந்து மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணீங்க. அதுதான் எங்களுக்கு ஒரு பெரிய சந்தோஷமே. அதனாலதான் உங்களுக்கு பெஸ்ட் டீச்சர் அவார்டு கொடுத்துருப்பாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நீங்க நல்லா மோட்டிவேட் பண்றீங்க.
கரெக்ட்.
நீங்களும் தான் சார், நீங்களும் மோட்டிவேட் பண்றீங்க. ஆனா இடையில பாலாஜி சார் வந்தாங்க, அவங்களும் நல்லா பேசினாங்க. அந்த சாருக்கும் வந்து சொல்லணும்.
விஜய் பாரத் சார், என் ஸ்டூடண்ட் விஜய் பாரத் எப்படி?
அவங்களும் நல்லா பேசினாங்க சார். சூப்பரா. உங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட் தான் நாங்க சொல்லவா வேணும் சார். அவங்க உங்க ஸ்டூடெண்ட், அதாவது என்ன சொல்றதுதான், நீங்க வந்து சொல்லி கொடுக்குறீங்க, உங்களோட 16 அடி அதிகமா பாஞ்சு தானே சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்க. கண்டிப்பா உங்களோட ட்ரைனர் தானே சார். அதே மாதிரி நாங்களும் வந்து கண்டிப்பா எங்களோட ரிசர்ச் முடிச்சு உங்களுக்கு அப்டேட் பண்ணுவோம். ஏன்னா எங்களுக்கு வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டேட்டா செட்ஸ் எப்படி எடுக்கிறது, எப்படி அந்த பைத்தான்ல அப்ளை பண்றது, இதெல்லாம் எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஒரு ஹிடன் சீக்ரெட்டாவே இருந்துச்சு. அதை வந்து எல்லா எஃப்டிபி நான் அட்டன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன், ஐஐடி பாம்பே ஒருத்து கூட அட்டன் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். பட் அவங்க எல்லாமே வந்து ரெடிமேடா பேக்கேஜா சொல்லிட்டு அப்படியே போயிடுவாங்க. பட் இதுதான் விஷயம் அப்படின்றத வந்து நீங்க எங்களுக்கு புரிய வச்சது வந்து உண்மையிலேயே எங்களுக்கு தெரியாத ஒரு விஷயத்த அறிவு கண்ணை திறந்தாங்கன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கொஞ்சம் ஹிடன் சீக்ரெட்ஸ் எல்லாம் விலகின மாதிரி இருக்கு. அந்த டேட்டா செட்ஸ் எப்படி எடுக்கிறது, எப்படி ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்றது, நாங்க பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணது, இதெல்லாம் எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ மீண்டும் என்னோட நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.
Super, thank you, madam. Sampada Gulwani, madam, I think she unmuted. If you want to speak, Sampada, madam, please go ahead, madam. Sampada Gulwani, madam, I saw you unmuting and you tried to speak. If you would like to say something, please go ahead.
Yeah, we have time now. No, we are not going to ask no quiz, no question. We will not ask you what is information gain, what is entropy, how to do normalization. It's your floor. Even you can scold us also.
ஜெயபாண்டியன் சார் அன்மியூட் பண்ணிருக்காரு.
ஆமா சார், ரொம்ப நேரமா நானும் காத்துட்டே இருக்கேன்.
சொல்லுங்க சார், சொல்லுங்க.
நிறைய ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் சீரியஸாவே அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம் as a teaching faculty-ஆ. But I have never seen such a wonderful feedback session. சும்மா ஏன்னா இது ஒன் பாசிட்டிவ் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் கண்டக்டிங் சச் ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸ் த்ரூ ஆன்லைன் அப்படிதான் நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா யார் வேணா மைக்கில் பேசிக்கலாம், ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்காது, யாருக்கும் பேச தெரியாது, அதனால வந்து கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா பேசலாம். அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. ஃபீட்பேக் செஷன் ஒரு
நீங்களே பேசக்கூடாது. You yourself first remove that fear out, whether it is online or offline. While leading Balrama Krishna, you start telling the story. You should not be scared of anything in life. Okay, what is there?
I'm not saying that because ஃபீட்பேக் செஷன் உட்கார்ந்து இருக்கும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா ஒரு 2 பேர் பேசுவாங்க. ஓகே, எந்துவா யாரா இருக்காங்களோ அவங்க மட்டும் தான் பேசுவாங்க, மத்த யாருமே வந்து பேச மாட்டாங்க. சோ இந்த அந்த மாதிரி
sorry, I made a mistake. My class was different. Sorry.
No problem, sir. Excellent feedback session வந்து நான் இந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ல தான் பார்த்திருக்கேன். And thanks to Alilani ma'am as well as Sudha ma'am as well for this time. நாங்க ஏன்னா 200 participants அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ரெஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் பண்ணி மெயிலில் அனுப்பிச்சாங்க. அப்போ நாங்கள் வெரி ஈகரா வந்து மிஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இது பண்ணோம். ஃப்ரம் day 1 to day 5 you made our days அப்படின்னு தான் சொல்லலாம். Seriously.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Very kind.
Thank you very much.
Sampada madam, go ahead. You are unmuted. Go ahead.
Sir, thank you, sir. First of all, I am very thankful for your the knowledge, whatever you delivered on AI. Basically, sir, I am teaching.
Can you introduce yourself,
intelligence?
Madam, can you introduce yourself? You are from?
Hello, myself Sampada madam from Kolhapur Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute of Management, Maharashtra. I am teaching for MCA course. Sir, actually I used to teach AI as well as the basic level of Python, but I was not aware about the machine learning technology or big data, whatever I studied in last 5 days. And wonderful workshop, sir. The workshop first I attended on machine learning, which I got a lot of knowledge. I got so many things from Python as well as big data. Really wonderful workshop, sir. And definitely I think it will be useful for me for my further teaching, and I can deliver this knowledge to my students also. So thank you, sir, for your valuable guidance to all of us who we joined in this workshop. Thank you, sir. And definitely, sir, I appreciate your stamina that for full 5 days with full energy you tried to teach a new concepts, and that's also with practical sessions, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. And thank you the organizers for your kind help to all of us.
Which university or college you are from, ma'am?
Bharati Vidyapeeth, sir. Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune.
Bharati Vidyapeeth, Pune.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Dr. Vaishali, thank you, madam. Dr. Vaishali Gupta, thank you, madam. Dr. Vaishali Gupta, you have any words to say? Dr. Parthiban has joined. Dr. Vaishali Gupta, you want to share your thoughts? Dr. Parthiban?
Yes, sir. Shall I get inside?
Yes, madam.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. As usual.
Madam, vaanga, neenga vaanga.
Really, first, I want to say that we are really sorry to you both because for not being a good student.
We are not able to hear you, madam.
Now?
Better.
Okay, sir. No, first of all, I want to tell you both sorry for not being a good student from day one.
You are the best student, I think. I used to always call you student number 1. You answered all the questions in spite of having all the work.
Yes, sir. Just like that, I am doing simultaneously some work, so I couldn't able to concentrate more on all the sessions. But some sessions that I attended very nicely. I was very happy that we had a overwhelming response from all the participants, and still I am receiving so many mails individually that we are doing a very great job. They are appreciating together. And this is the first time we are receiving such kind of response and a very nice feedback towards, and all is because of you both. Not more than that. Because of you both, Alirani ma'am and myself are very proud to be organizing this FDP. I thank really God for giving such a wonderful personalities to us for organizing such a wonderful FDP, and I expect you both to come towards our university and take a live session for our students as well as our faculty.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
We are expecting your presence here, and it will all give us a very positive vibes together, so that it will spread around across the campus. So we will feel always that positive vibes.
Thank you,
Actually, our Vice Chancellor sir, when I sent a proposal, he immediately approved it for applying for Atal FDP. So, and I would like to thank our Chancellor, Vice Chancellor, and Dean Planning and Development for constant support in every activities. So, this I would like to mention here. Thank you.
Thank you, Chancellor. Thank you, Vice Chancellor. Thank you, all the Sastra management.
Thank you, yeah. Thank you, Sastra management team.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us for all these 5 days, 24 hours. You are there inside our mind. So still, I hope so. Next year, that's all the practitioners will enjoy. All the research scholars, really, they are all very blessed to have you both for the session. And I'm very thankful to God to have you both as such a wonderful, highly personalities to meet together. We are expecting your presence here. Yes, sir, and I want to thank all our faculties, those who have supported, especially my big boss Revati ma'am, for being with me always to support, and all our colleagues, all our faculty members to support us.
மேடம் எனக்கு வந்து யாரோ ஒருத்தர் சொன்னாங்க இல்லது ரங்காவுக்கு அது மாதிரி நீங்களும் பிக் பாஸ் நீங்க ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். யூ காட் another pair, I got another pair. பிக் பாஸ் good. ரங்காவுக்கு எனக்கு சொன்னாங்க அதே மாதிரி யூ ஹேவ் a best pair there, Revati and Sudha madam. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
We expect your presence, with all your blessings. We all will move forward, and we will continue our research work in a very good manner. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank God.
Sure, ma'am.
Thanks, ma'am.
I think we will.
Anybody else wants to say anything, or we can call it a
day, and we'll meet again. We will meet again in a different form. As I said earlier, we can help you on statistics part. We can conduct a workshop, FDP, and whatever way we want. And based on the demands, we can do a lot of other topics on whether it is
exactly. If anything that is not listed here and you have a requirement to do it, don't worry. We have enough connections. And we will also be there, regardless whether we are the resource person or not. If it is coming to us through you, we will make sure it is delivered in the same style.
Exactly. Even it will be more, even because we are also learning every day, learning to lead. And myself and Ranga always trying to find what is the best way to deliver based on the platform, based on the type of audience. So you have to prepare and how to present, right? And you can call us for any security related topic, any big data related topic, or any database related topics, or going on more deep diving to machine learning, or kind of a regression or advanced statistic, or anything is not here like Industry 4.0, IoT. Even we bring the expertise for the required field and then try to help you. Okay, and with final note, I would say that let's all pray and wish this corona go away from India, go away from the world. Okay, and we will love to. That's exactly Rajesh Kumar. We got the comment from Sastra students. Believe it or not, after we came, there are a lot of calls. There was a WhatsApp group they have created. They don't want to leave that WhatsApp group. They will kept on seeing when you will be coming. And they will be checking my Instagram, Facebook, and all. By the way, I am a lot of. I'm a guy in social media. If you want to connect with me, I know Ranga doesn't want social media, but I have this social media thing. You can connect through Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn, and I have like multiple places I am in. If you are in LinkedIn, you can be connected with me, and let me show my Facebook and Instagram pages. So perhaps this could be useful. Let me just quickly fill this, I think I have it somewhere here. I think I have it here. There you go. Are you seeing my screen? So this is my Facebook. This is my Facebook ID is here, right here. Let me zoom a little bit.
Zoom on.
So, oops. My Facebook ID, Dr. D. Venkat. My Twitter ID, twitter.com, Dr. D. Venkat. LinkedIn, WhatsApp. Let me copy and paste it in the chat window for you. So, you can, I used to be advisor for another institution in Andhra Pradesh. I used to help them in set up their lab. We also, apart from, we will also help you with respect to, this is my ID. We can help you with respect to any other projects. If you wanted to execute some projects, suppose you wanted to submit a proposal, you can use me and Ranga as advisors. Because when you're submitting for the DST proposals or any other proposals, we can guide you and help you in implementing the projects. You can use as a consultant or advisor, and we can also help you to bring some other industry people to be part of your proposals. Okay, so we will help you in other ways. So this is my quiz. Don't take that quiz, but you know, the Facebook ID, Twitter, and in LinkedIn. Still, I'm a visiting professor there also. I do help that institutions, but let me delete that right away. So this is my contact. You can take the screenshot if you want. You can connect with me if you're already there in the Facebook and Twitter. And my Instagram ID is DRD Venkata. This is the one workshop. I did not post anything, okay, because this is totally online. This is my Instagram page. DRD Venkata is my Instagram page. I told you, no, I am the Heroku app. This is developed by my student. He used a cloud Heroku app. This was completely done by my student with his own interest. He has built one. So we have to create more students, right? All right. God bless you. Never regret anything in life. With that quote, we will just leave the session. Dr. D. Venkata. Yeah, never regret anything in life. Okay, so life gives you plenty of opportunities in all the aspects. It's all about you, how you perceive and proceed. May God bless everybody. Stay protected, learn to lead. If it is good, it is wonderful. If it is bad, it is experience. Okay, may God bless all of you. I think we can wind up the session. Thank you, all the participants. Thank you, ma'am, once again. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Bye-bye.
Thank you, all of you. God bless. Bye-bye.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
முடியல வீடியோவை ஆஃப் பண்ண முடியல. பண்ண முடியல. அதே மாதிரி ஆயிடுச்சு.
That's why we are also sitting here, sir.
Okay, cool. I think நான் முதல்ல வீடியோ ஆஃப் பண்ணிடுறேன். கொஞ்சம் ஆஃப் பண்ணு. Okay, bye for now.
Bye, sir.
Bye, madam. Bye.
Bye,
Thank
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Madam, the recording off.
Yes, bye, sir. Bye. God bless you all. God bless you.
God.